Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Today we will start our exercise 10.2. In this exercise, we will find the area of the given figures. So each figure consists of some squares. Find the area of the figure by counting these squares. So each figure have some square. Each square has an area of इनसाइड जो हमारा स्क्वायर बन रहा है, अंदर जो स्क्वायर बन रहा है उसका एरिया कितना है? इस कंसिस्ट ऑफ 1 स्क्वायर यूनिट. क्लियर? सो अब हमें फाइंड करना है व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस कंप्लीट फिगर. इसमें कितने एरिया हैं इसको बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं. सबसे पहले डिस्कस करते हैं पार्ट नंबर ए को. पार्ट नंबर ए. दिस फिगर कंसिस्ट ऑफ 9 पार्ट्स. सो इसके अंदर कितने डिफरेंट पार्ट्स हैं? 9 स्क्वायर्स. एक स्क्वायर का एरिया कितना है हमारे पास? 9 स्क्वायर यूनिट. सो इसमें हम लिखेंगे क्या? नंबर ऑफ हेयर, नंबर ऑफ फुल्ली फिल्ड स्क्वायर, फुल्ली फिल्ड स्क्वायर्स कितने हैं? इज इक्वल टू बी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सो एरिया ऑफ द गिवन फिगर इज इक्वल टू 9 इंटू 1 स्क्वायर यूनिट. हर किसी का एरिया कितना है? 1 स्क्वायर यूनिट. So it will be equal to 9 ones are 9 square unit. Okay. Similarly, for the part number B, this figure consists of how many squares? Now it makes 1 2 3 4 5 5 full squares. Here number of fully filled squares is equal to 5, और area of each square is equal to 1 square unit. So area of the given figure five into 1 5 square unit. Now come to part number C. In the part number C, here how many squares are there? Number of fully filled 1 and 2. Number of fully filled diagrams are number of fully filled squares. इस डायग्राम के हिसाब से नंबर ऑफ फुल्ली फिल्ड स्क्वायर आर 1 and 2, only 2. Number of half filled square, number of half filled square हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ हाफ फिल्ड स्क्वायर, यहां से काउंट कीजिए 1 2 3 एंड देन 4। ये तो आउटर है, ये तो डायग्राम के अंदर आएंगे नहीं। ये जो डायग्राम के अंदर आ रहे हैं, फिगर के अंदर आ रहे हैं, हमें उसे कंसीडर करना होगा। सो कितने हो गए हमारे पास हाफ फिल्डेड? 4। सो एरिया ऑफ fully filled स्क्वायर्स कितना हो गया? जो फुल्ली फिल्ड स्क्वायर उनके 2 यूनिट हो गया, 2 इंटू 1 यानी 2 स्क्वायर यूनिट। एंड एरिया ऑफ half filled square 4 इंटू 4 है हमारे पास टोटल, तो इंटू में हाफ यूनिट, सो इज इक्वल टू 2 स्क्वायर यूनिट। सो टोटल एरिया ऑफ गिवन फिगर, अब गिवन फिगर कितना है? जो ब्लैक पोर्शन हमने बनाया है, ओनली दिस वन फिगर इज इक्वल टू 2 स्क्वायर यूनिट इसकी और 2 स्क्वायर यूनिट, 2 प्लस 2 4 स्क्वायर यूनिट। ओके, सो दिस इज द पार्ट नंबर C. नाउ कम टू पार्ट नंबर D. In the part number D, the given figure is, and the number of the squares in it are there are 8 different portions fully filled, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So here are fully filled square is equal to 8. So area of the given figure eight into 1 यानी कि 8 स्क्वायर यूनिट। अब ये 1 किस लिए किया? क्योंकि 1 स्क्वायर का एरिया कितना है हमारे पास? 1 स्क्वायर यूनिट। ओके, नाउ कम टू पार्ट नंबर ए। सो वी हैव टू मेक द डायग्राम। Now, how many squares are there? How many fully filled? How many half filled? Let us consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here are number of fully filled squares is equal to 10. Area of each square 1 square unit. So area of given figure area of given figure is equal to 10 into 1, 10 square unit. Okay, so this is up to part number A. Now come to part number F. In the part number F, the given diagram is let us count the number of squares. Here number of fully filled 1, 2 and number of half filled are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here number of fully filled squares is equal to 2 and number of half filled squares is equal to 4. Area of each square, 1 square unit. So required area of given figure is equal to 2 into 1 क्योंकि ये completely filled है 2 into 1 plus 4 into half क्योंकि ये half filled है 4 into half इतना square unit आंसर होगा. So 2 ones are 2, 4 से कैंसिल करेंगे तो ये भी 2 आ जाएगा. 2 plus 2 4 square unit. Okay. Now come to part number G. In the part number G, the given figure is, this is part number G. Let us count number of the squares. Here the fully filled are 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and half filled squares are 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are 4, 4. So here fully filled squares, number of fully filled squares is equal to 4 and number of half filled square is equal to 4. So an area of each square one square unit. So area of required figure, given figure, required area of given figure. अब यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि टोटल वाले कितने हैं 4, 4 into 1, हाफ वाले कितने 4, 4 into हाफ, टोटल कितना हुआ 4 plus 2, 6 square unit. Square unit. Okay, now come to part number H. In the part number H, now let us count number of the squares in the part number H. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here are the number of fully filled squares. Five. An area of each square 1 square unit. So total area of given figure is equal to 5 into 1. Okay, so it is the part H. Now come to the part number I. In the part I, the given figure is now let us consider number of the squares in it. Here the number of the squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. So here are total 9 squares. Here number of fully filled squares is equal to 9. Area of each square is equal to 1 square unit. So required area of each square is equal to 9 into 1, 9 square unit. So this is your part number I. Now come to part number J. In the part number J, the triangle is given. Now we have to count how many squares are there. So where the number of the fully filled are 1 and 2 and half filled are 1, 2, 3, 4 and leave all others. हमें इंटीरियर वाले ही काउंट करने हैं, एक्सटीरियर नहीं लेने, एक्सटीरियर छोड़ देने. Here number of fully filled squares 2 and number of half filled squares is equal to 4. Area of each square one square unit. So area of given figure what is the area? 2 into 1 plus 4 into half. So it is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus इसका भी कैंसिल होगा तो 2 ही आएगा. 2 plus 2 4 square unit answer. Okay. Now come to part number K. Now in the part K, the given figure is how many squares are there? Let us count. So here are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the half filled, fully filled 4, half filled 2. So number of fully filled squares is equal to 4, and number of half filled squares is equal to 2. So required area of given figure is equal to 4 into 1 plus 2 into half, 5 square unit. Now come to part number L. In the part number L, you can count the number of the squares as we are counting previously. So on counting the number of the squares, we get the fully filled number of fully filled squares is equal to 3, and number of half filled squares will be equal to half filled squares, number of half filled ten. So required area of given figure is equal to 3 into 1 plus 10 into half, 8 square unit. Okay. Similarly, in the part number M, number of fully filled squares, number of fully filled squares in the part number M are 7, and number of half filled square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is equal to 14. So required area is equal to 7 into 1 plus 14 into half, 7 plus 7, 14 square unit. Now come to part number N. In the part number N, the fully filled are number of fully filled squares is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is equal to 10. And number of half filled squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is equal to 16. So required area will be equal to 10 into 1. एक completely fully filled का स्क्वायर का एरिया 1 है और हाफ filled का कितना होता है हाफ. So it is equal to 10 plus 8, 18 square unit. Okay, so this is your exercise 10.2. Complete this exercise in your fair notebook and then send the solution to me. Okay.